Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce and exploring strategies for building a profitable online business. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established retailer looking to expand your online presence, this video will provide you with actionable tips and insights to succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Let's get started. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. With the rise of online shopping, e-commerce has become a lucrative industry with endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. Let's delve deeper into the fundamentals of e-commerce and how you can leverage it to build a profitable business. The first step in building a profitable e-commerce business is choosing the right e-commerce platform. We'll discuss popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, and how to select the platform that best suits your business needs and goals. Product selection and sourcing are crucial aspects of e-commerce success. We'll explore strategies for identifying profitable products, sourcing suppliers or manufacturers, and ensuring product quality and reliability to meet customer expectations. Creating a compelling online store is essential for attracting and converting customers. We'll discuss best practices for designing an intuitive and visually appealing website, optimizing product pages for conversions, and enhancing the user experience to drive sales. Effective marketing is key to driving traffic and sales to your e-commerce store. We'll explore various marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and influencer partnerships, and how to create a cohesive marketing plan that resonates with your target audience. Providing exceptional customer experience and support is crucial for building trust and loyalty with your customers. We'll discuss strategies for optimizing the customer journey, providing personalized shopping experiences, and offering responsive customer support to address inquiries and resolve issues promptly. Data analysis is essential for optimizing your e-commerce business and driving continuous improvement. We'll explore key metrics to track, such as conversion rate, average order value, customer lifetime value, and customer acquisition cost, and how to use data-driven insights to iterate your strategies and maximize profitability. Once your e-commerce business is up and running, it's time to focus on scaling and growth. We'll discuss strategies for scaling your e-commerce business, including expanding product offerings, entering new markets, optimizing operations, and investing in marketing and technology to fuel sustainable growth. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of e-commerce and strategies for building a profitable online business. We hope you found these insights valuable in launching or growing your e-commerce venture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and online business success. Until next time, happy selling.